Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SendGrid for transactional emails from mobile apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate SendGrid for transactional emails from your mobile apps, start by creating a SendGrid account. Visit the SendGrid website and click on the Start for Free button. Fill in the required details to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys section in the Settings menu. Click on Create API Key. Give your API key a name that reflects its purpose, like Mobile App Emails. Select the permission level as Full Access 4. Click on Create and View to generate your API key and securely store it. Now, open your mobile app development environment. If you're using Node.js, install the SendGrid client library by running the command npm install at sendgrid/mail. In your app, import the SendGrid library at the top of your file. Next, initialize the SendGrid client with your API key. Set up an email object with necessary fields, including sender, recipient, subject, and body. Make sure to use fields like from, to, subject, and text or HTML format for the body. Call the send method to send the email. Handle success and error responses accordingly to ensure smooth functionality. Test the email feature from your mobile app to verify it's working as intended. Review any logs or reports in the SendGrid dashboard to monitor your email transactions. This completes the activation of SendGrid for transactional emails from your mobile apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.